How to fix AirDrop failed issues. If you're trying to AirDrop a file, like a photo or video, and it fails, here are some steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. 1. Check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. AirDrop requires both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to be enabled. Follow these steps. Open Settings. Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Open Settings. Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Adjust AirDrop settings. Open Settings, General AirDrop. Set it to everyone for 10 minutes to ensure the other device can detect you. Enable cellular data. If you see an option to use cellular data for AirDrop, ensure it's toggled on. 3. Restart both devices. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings General, scroll down, and tap Shutdown. Wait a few seconds, then power it back on. On Mac, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and choose Restart. Check Device Visibility on the sending device. Open the Photos or Files app, select the file, and tap Share AirDrop. Ensure the recipient's device appears in the list. On the receiving device, confirm that AirDrop is set to everyone for 10 minutes in Settings General AirDrop. 5. Troubleshoot the receiving device. If the recipient's device doesn't appear, repeat the steps to toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and back on. Ensure the receiving device is awake and unlocked. 6. Update software. Outdated software can sometimes cause AirDrop glitches. On iPhone, go to Settings General Software Update and install any available updates. On Mac, open System Settings, General Software Update. 7. Restart AirDrop sharing. Open the Photos or Files app again. Select the file you want to AirDrop, tap Share, and choose AirDrop. Check that both devices are now detected and connected. If none of these steps work, it's possible the issue lies with a hardware fault or a temporary system bug on one of the devices. I hope this guide helps. If it did, consider subscribing or leaving feedback. It means a lot. Thanks.